In this video, we'll show you how to boost your LinkedIn post using ConnectSafely.ai. Start by visiting the ConnectSafely.ai dashboard, then go to the Post Boost section. You'll see an input field where you need to paste your LinkedIn post URL. So, open your LinkedIn account, copy the link of the post you want to boost, paste it into the input, and click Get Started. ConnectSafely.ai will automatically fetch all the details of that post. Next, you'll be redirected to the engagement configuration settings. Here, you'll find several options you can customize. Enable or disable comments on other posts depending on your preferences. Adjust your engagement frequency to control how often interactions happen. And you can also generate AI smart comments, which uses AI to generate thoughtful, relevant comments automatically. Once you've set everything up, click Start Boost Campaign. You'll then be redirected to the Posts tab, where you can see all the details of your boosted post, which will be 0 in the beginning. After some time, click Refresh Data. You'll notice your post's likes and comments have increased, along with details of who commented and what they said. And that's it. Your Post Boost campaign is now live, and you're all set to grow your reach.